right, let's take a look at number 2. The model car was created using a scale of 1 inch to 2 feet. It wants us to find the actual length and the height of the car. So let's first look at the actual numbers, or the numbers that are presented in here. We have 1 1/2 and 5 1/8. So with these numbers, we're going to have to set up 2 different problems. I'm going to start with my units for inches on top and feet on the bottom. So that gives us my key, which was 1/2 inch over 2 feet, which is I'm going to just pick one. So I'm going to just go ahead and start with 5 1/8. And then, of course, my variable at the bottom is x. I'm going to cross multiply. I get 1/2 x is equal to, I multiply those two together. And again, Miss Williford is using a calculator. So when you put that into the calculator, you're going to be left with 10 1/4 once you simplify. So now I need to get x by itself by dividing both sides by 1/2. Those 1/2s cancel out. I'm left with x is equal to 20 1/2. And the x lines up with feet, so it's 20 1/2 feet. That's now going to replace my 5 1/8. And so now let's set up the second one. I'm going to do the same thing. My inches are going to be on top, and my feet are going to be on the bottom. Same setup, which is going to be 1/2 over 2. And I'm going to set this equal to the other one, which is 1 1/2. And then I'm going to use my same variable x. Cross multiply. I get 1/2 x is equal to 2 times 1/2, 3. I'm going to get 3. So now I have to divide both sides by 1/2. And I get x is equal to, once those cancel out, is equal to 6. So now this replaces my 1 1/2 side. So I have feet for both of those. So it's 20 1/2 feet by 6 1/2 feet. And I'm just going to write in my length and my height. All right, number 4 reads, a scale of 1 inch to 20 feet was used to draw a model of Jesse's apartment. What is the size of Jesse's master bedroom in square feet? So look right here. We're only looking at the master bedroom. Box it in, put lines around it, whatever you need to do so that you know that's the only thing we're looking at. So for the bottom part of the bedroom, we have that 3/4 inch. So I'm going to put my inch on the top, my feet on the bottom, set it up with 1 over 20. That 3/4 I'm going to plug in on the top and have my variable at the bottom. Cross multiply, I get 1x is equal to 15, which is the same thing as x equals 15. And then I'm going to do my other side. So we found one side. Now let's do my other side, which is that 1 1/4. Same setup. I'm going to do my inches on the top and my feet on the bottom. I'm going to have my same setup of 120. I'm just going to erase that because that's not right. We're just going to do my 1 over 20 is equal to, same thing, same area, 1 1/4 inch on top of my variable x. I cross multiply and I get 1x is equal to 20 times 1 1/4 is going to give me 25, and which is the same thing as x equals 25. So I have both of my sides. They want us to figure out the side of her bedroom in square feet. So we're just going to have to find our area, which is going to be 15 times 25. And there you have it, 375 feet squared.